Funk, hit me up with some of that thug.
Hey you guys, so I'm Sire, Eminence here. Thank you for coming to my channel. I'm here with a Finishline haul and unboxing too. So they didn't have my stuff in the store, so I got it shipped here, which was fine because everything was on sale. Let me do it this way. These are my first pair of Pumas, actually. Oh, look, my Joshua sign looks so crooked. In the background, you can see my fish tanks and stuff. So I got these, the Puma Fierce Ignites. I heard they were real comfortable. All right, and then this way. Usually I'm a Chuck Taylor kid, always and forever, but I seen these and I was like, these are so cute, I need to get them. So I got another pair of Pumas. Alright, receipts and everything. Then I got, these kind of look bent, like somebody, hopefully it was just because of shipping. Then I got these right here, the gray ones. They look like they've been bent. It must be because of shipping. These ones, oops, because these ones don't have it. So maybe it's because of shipping. Let me come closer. There we go. Yeah, maybe it's because of shipping or whatever, but I like them. These don't have it. Well, how you want these modern shoes? How you want to loosen this? Hold on. Maybe you don't. Maybe it's just there for show. I don't know. I'm struggling. Is my fish swimming around? Let's see, he coming back to the top now. Alright, so I'm back. I just got done trying them on. I actually like the gray ones. I like these burgundy ones too, but I thought about it. I don't have any black shoes, and when I was looking on the website, I really like the black. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these and just get the black ones too or what, but the gray ones are definitely looser than the burgundy ones. These are really cute and they are comfortable. They are comfortable. I feel like with this, like you walking like on a platform, you know, like how the old school guys used to do in the 70s with the fish tank in it. Okay. Oh, but seriously though, so that was my first shoe haul and unboxing. I have a lot of shoes, more so Converse per se. I think I have about roughly 14 Converse. Yeah, 14 Converse. So needless to say, I'm definitely a Converse kid, so this is very fun, you know, to step out and get something new. But yeah, that's so funny. I'm definitely liking these shoes though. They're really comfortable, especially for walking. So, you know, hey, Puma, sponsor me. Alright, you guys, I just want to tell you, you know, I love y'all. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Hit the notification bell to know when I upload, so you'll never miss another video when I upload. My content is a vast amount, okay, from aquatic life, alright, to hair, to my business and my hair care products, to what else? We have hair transformations, we have dog videos, you know, it's just basically what goes on in my life. and soon Bible stories. We definitely have a whole bunch of inspirational Bible stories on my channel already, but I'm ready to really get into that and dive into that. So, you know, stay tuned. I love you guys, and thank you for coming to my channel. Bye. And be to stay updated for more. What was that? That's getting cut out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know when I upload. And hit to what is going on? Okay.
Come on, hit me up with some of that thug. Yeah, that's like that. Hit him in the chest.